Hi guys, this is Astha Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. I'm sorry, I know I probably say this in all videos 100 times, but I've been super inconsistent with long format videos. But it's just really tough to, get ideas and constantly shoot or even shoot what's happening in your daily life. It's like a very, very tough thing to do. But things are going to change now because I wanted the first video of 2026 to be different. I have invested in something which I should have 5 years ago because I'm into content creation since 5 years, and I finally made the decision and I have done it. I have finally bought a camera, finally a digital camera, guys. I mean, this was on my bucket list since so long, and every time I used to be like, okay, fine, no, not now, I don't need it now, the phone is okay. So I have two phones. One is the 13 Pro, which I use for like calling and texting and stuff like that. And I have another phone, which is the 15 Pro Max, which I use for content, like my photos and videos and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, fine, everything is like done with this. And if there's any brand shoot where I need to shoot it professionally, I always hire like a freelancer. So I didn't need a camera. And I've also traveled a lot, and I used to see other people's photos and stuff, and I used to be like, bro, it's come out so good. And in fact, this time when I went to Singapore, I had to take Ria's camera because I literally didn't have one and I had no way to shoot like a professional video. So finally, I made the decision. 2026 has started amazing. It started with a camera. Finally, a camera. Bro, my manager Sakshi has been telling me since the time we're together, I think 2 years, Rasta, please get a camera, please get a camera, please. I was like, yeah, I don't need it now. And then I just got it now. I mean, I just went yesterday and I got it and I'm super happy. So let's unbox my first ever camera after being in content creation for 5 whole years. Of course, it was an extremely, extremely tough decision in which camera to get. I've been looking for like different cameras since a week and I'm so confused. Most creators have the Canon G7X Mark III, but I didn't really want to get that because I took Ria's Canon when I went to Singapore and I didn't like the video quality so much. Pictures are too good. I love the pictures, but the video quality was very average. And I was like, if I'm getting one, I'd rather get something which takes good photos also and good videos also. And anything you buy in this world, everything has pros and cons. So I finally chose the Sony ZV E10 Mark II, which is the most latest one. We unboxed this in like 2 minutes. Let me just tell you the story behind this. I asked a lot of videographers who I've worked with. Everyone recommended different things. A few even recommended this. And this one Tanisha had. Tanisha Mirwani, I'm sure all of y'all know her. But she's the one who had this. And she said it's really good for photos. But there were like pros and cons. For example, as much as I know, between the Canon and the Sony, like Canon has an inbuilt flash. This one doesn't have an inbuilt flash, but it has like a section where you can attach like an external flash and take photos. Photos are really good. Videos come out good in this. And see, all of these are mainly vlogging cameras, but you can shoot other videos also in it. And just like the Canon is like way smaller and it easily fits into your pocket if you're going anywhere. It's more portable. This one is slightly bulkier, but I think it's fine. Like, that wasn't my problem that it has to fit in my pocket. It's fine. I mean, I'm just gonna take it everywhere with me now because I wanna properly take photos at like events. When I used to go for events at night, I would never get good photos in my phone because the lighting was so bad. Finally, I can take proper photos in the camera now and upload the next day itself. Let's unbox. I unboxed it yesterday, of course, when I bought it, but I want to unbox it again with you guys. This is the box, Sony. This is how the camera looks. Also, one more thing in this is you get like the lens is like removable. So if you want, you can like get another lens. If you want to shoot like different things, you can see which lens you want to buy. The Canon has like one lens which is just fixed to the camera. But Canon is just, I think it's hyped. Some girls really like it. I didn't want to go with the hype. Also, it was really expensive. The Canon was like, now it's not available online in like random stores, like normal stores like camera stores, it was available for like 1,10,000, which was very expensive for something just for photos and very mid videos. And the Sony one, there were two versions. One was the Sony ZV-E10 and one is the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, which is the latest version. So the two of them don't have like a lot of difference, but there is a difference. I'm going to tell you all of the difference, but let's slowly unbox this first. And I'll also tell you the price. Like the price of the Sony ZV-E10 was 62,000 and the Mark II recent one was like, I got it for like 82,000. All of this including GST. Okay, fine. This is all like the warranty cards and everything. So this we can keep aside. Let's remove. Okay, this is, you get like a 64 GB card with it from Sony itself. That's the only card you get. And this is my camera, guys. Dude, I am obsessed. Just look at, okay, fine. It is a little bulky, but dude, I really like it because I don't know, dude. It's just my first camera, and like your firsts are always so special. I'm sure everyone knows that. I'm gonna keep it like my baby, literally. You open the screen, you can twist it while you're vlogging and see what you're vlogging. There are a lot of things. Let me put in the battery and show you everything. This is where the lens comes. This is like on and off, and this is where you can see like different functions. Okay, there is a mic here already inbuilt. This is the muff which you can attach it here, and this is where you can attach the flash. This is a strap which comes. You can put it from here to here. Just put it like on your shoulder so that it doesn't fall while you're shooting. I bought an extra card which is for 128 GB because 64 GB is not enough. This was for 4,500 rupees, but I got this extra one. This was not already in the box. There is a battery. The battery is there. We're gonna insert the battery, guys. I'm also new to this. I don't really know how everything works, but there's like trial and error for every single thing. Okay, the battery is here. I think in the earlier version of the Sony one, the battery and the card was supposed to go in the same place, but over here it's different. This one was for the battery and here is for the card. Like it's also said how to put the card inside. And now we're gonna switch it on. You also get this bag, the Sony bag with it. It's free, and of course the lens. The lens is also a part of the thing. This is the lens which comes already with it. Guys, I'm literally learning this with y'all, and I need to see proper videos to like, you know, see how this works. There's a dot here if you can see, and there's also a dot here, so you have to accordingly attach it. Okay, the lens is put in. We remove the cap from here, and eventually this is how the camera looks. I am so excited. Okay, it is a little bulky. It's not heavy at all, guys. It's not heavy at all. You switch it on from here. We open this, and oh my god, I can literally see you guys. Of course, you click this and it starts recording. I'm literally recording my phone, how I'm shooting right now. Okay, I'm just randomly gonna turn the camera. Okay, I'm super excited to shoot in this, and now when I travel, guys, I'm just gonna have the camera with me full time. Can we also try taking a photo? You just shift this button and you can turn this and see how the photo is coming. Okay, guys, there are like a lot of like functions and stuff in this which we like on the camera itself. You can see like a lot of things. I really need to sit and learn this right now. I don't fully know everything, but I know like you can defocus things behind, you can change the filters to a lot of things. You know, there's this shutter thing, and there are hundreds of things that you can click black and white photos. You can manually change the exposure. You can do a lot of things, and I need to properly sit and figure this out. But for now, I'm gonna shut this. We can even attach this here. Okay, this is the muff that just goes in like this. Okay, you can put this, and when you're just recording, you can talk. It comes really clearly. I think we should also attach this. Okay, and this has been attached. I've called for a cover online, but I think this is so cool. Can you like imagine me taking a photo right now? You can also, like download this app and like connect it to your iPad or iPhone and then just straight transfer all the videos and like photos to it. It's really cool. Right now, also, guys, when I'm just taking a photo of this plant which is next to me, it's coming so amazing. I have never seen this kind of a clarity. I am literally like, wow. But it's going to take me a while to become a pro at this. It's going to be trial and error. I'm going for a trip now. I'm sure I'm already going to be in the trip when this vlog comes out. I'm going to do my trial and error there and see how the camera works for me. But finally, it feels nice to invest in a camera. The difference between the ZV E10 and the Mark II, the latest one, is firstly, that one, the older one, you can shoot in like 4K 30. This one was 4K 60. Also, like if you shoot vertically, this one, the frame will turn vertically. In that one, you still watch it horizontally. Also, like this, the touchpad here is like touch screen. There it wasn't. And of course, the battery is like lasts longer. There are a lot of things. And if you're investing for the first time and like for a longer term, I think it made sense to invest in the most latest version, because we people use it very often. Of course, I'm not going to be like a professional videographer, and I will still work with freelancers for my like really big shoots. But this is something I'm sure maybe in the next like 5 or 6 or 7 vlogs, I will be a pro at it. Trust me, guys, I will be a pro. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. This was just a little unboxing video of my new camera, and please give me all the strength to use this and make me feel that I've made the right decision by spending 82,000 rupees with GST. Any which ways, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please go like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. If I'm traveling, I may vlog on my phone. But if it's otherwise any video, it may just be from my camera.